Domestic violence can leave survivors feeling trapped and alone, but for the last 13 years, a local group has been a lifeline for hundreds of women. But tonight, that chapter is coming to a close.
10 News anchor Abby Coleman joins us tonight in studio. And Abby, this group has provided more than just emergency support. They've walked alongside women through these horrific times in their life.
You're exactly right. And D.A.D, or domestic abuse disruption, has spent 13 years helping women escape abuse and rebuild their lives. But now they've made the difficult decision to close the organization at the end of September.
Not a day goes by that I don't think about the impact that he's had on my life.
For the past 7 years, Beth Nelson has faced some of the toughest battles of her life while leaving an abusive relationship. And along the way, D.A.D stepped in to walk beside her.
Trey has walked with me through courtroom doors over 30 times. Trey helped me stand and walk, when I didn't think I could.
Over the last 13 years, D.A.D has helped hundreds of women escape and stay free from abusive situations. And it all began with founder Trey Gregory.
We have moved entire households at one time and everything free of charge. That was the big thing. They didn't have money.
It's work he never expected to grow so large.
We figured it would be small scale, call here or there.
Now that journey is nearing its end. Because of ongoing health challenges, Gregory made the difficult decision that September will be D.A.D's final month.
I do not feel at this point that I can adequately provide those services the way we have, and I do not want to become a detriment.
For the women he stood beside, Gregory's impact has become a lasting part of their lives.
I don't know if I had been able to continue pushing forward if I hadn't have had someone like Trey.
But Gregory says those women have left just as deep an impact on him.
It was a privilege and an honor to be able to be someone you could rely on.
Nelson says D.A.D's impact will last far beyond their last day.
Trey is literally 1 in a million, and the impact and the legacy can never be replaced.
Now, D.A.D will keep working with the women already in their care through the end of September, but they won't be taking on any new cases. And I know Trey was, very emotional about this. This organization has meant a lot to him.
Yeah, this isn't just about helping women in crisis situations. They did a lot of self-defense, right?
That was another big part of what they did. More than 2,000 women actually have gone through their self-defense class, which many people have heard of. It's their cheat class, and it teaches them situational awareness and situational self-defense. And so, 2,000 women, that's a lot. And then you add on top of that all of the women they've helped get out of these situations. They've had a very wide-reaching impact.
Absolutely. Well, I know it's hard for them to close, but they certainly have a lot to be proud of. They've touched a lot of lives.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you, Abby.